Everybody, so let me present the results. So I am Sirajuddin Kamal, a PhD student in Naples University, and my supervisor is Professor Manuel Mazzara. So let me introduce my PhD topic. This is TeleML, Marketplace of Machine Learning Models for Telegram platform. This is basically application of various machine learning models on Telegram clients. So I am building a marketplace of machine learnings for Telegram clients. So before starting this, before starting the development of this idea, we needed to address some of the questions. So first of all, we needed to decide whether we should deploy machine learning models on the server side, or machine learning models should be executed on the client side. So when we consider deploying a machine learning model on the server side, we do have some concerns regarding such approach that are security concerns, since user data will be sent to server via various services, right? And also user privacy should will be also depend will also depend on the server side security level, right? And also the next issue is that servers can be overloaded by client requests by evaluating user data, and it also leads to this third issue, which is performance decreases from the user viewpoint, since performance will depend on several factors such as network speed, server capabilities, and so on, right? So these are the concerns regarding the deployment of machine learning on the server side. But what if we deploy a machine learning model on client side? That is, what if we utilize models on the client side? So why do we need to research this topic? Why do we need to work on this topic? This is because most of the existing research papers focus uh, on machine learning algorithms and how to improve the accuracy and so on. Only a few of them discuss deployment challenges. And also, we try to investigate how machine learning model development affects software engineering, since we also have software engineering side of our project along with machine learning model development, and what factors should we consider, and what factors should machine learning models developers should also take into account when they want to upload their models on our platform. So these were the challenges, and we did research paper on this topic. So we wrote a research paper called TeleML Deploying Trained Machine Learning Models in Cross-Platform Applications. So this paper investigates the following objectives, which is effect of deploying a machine learning model on the client side. And also we also tried to investigate the challenges in overall machine learning model development, specifically in cross-platform environment, and also developing all the components in one language, Python. This was also an interesting area to discover. So our paper tried to address these aspects. So as a use case, we developed TeleML application. So this is basically Telegram client, which utilizes machine learning models, and the following frameworks and libraries are used in the first version of the TeleML. Python as a main and a single programming language for the development of the machine learning model and client interface. So we have used Python for user interface, BERT as a NLP algorithm for the simple sentiment analysis task. Uh, to use BERT, we have used Transformers library as a wrapper, and for user interface, we have used Kiwi, which is cross-platform framework for user interface in Python, and Telethon for interacting with Telegram API. And this is the architecture of the first version of TeleML. You can see that we have followed MVC pattern, and you can see that view module is only responsible for user interface, and model is responsible for classifier, machine learning model, machine ML classifier, and also working with Telegram APIs. And controller will control the logic inside the application. So this is the results of the machine learning model. We have achieved 95% on the test set, and training took about 2.5 hours. So we have achieved good results, and these are the basically screenshots of the application. You can see on the left side of the screen, we can see a splash screen. Here we also load machine learning model as well as handle Telegram authentication processes. On the right side, we can see after successfully authorization, we have dialogues, right? So these are basically the chat screen, and this is the main screen, which is the list of messages that are classified by the machine learning model. You can see on the bottom of the each message cell there is a sentiment, let's say, label, whether this message is classified as neutral, negative, or positive. We have also displayed the score. You can see, right? So this is the main page where our machine learning model is utilized. So although our machine learning model has achieved good performance, it really affected the our application. How loading splash screen took some more time, which is 4.2 seconds. So this is because of the large size of the model, and so this was very complicated process. So it took about 4.2 seconds. So and of course we have achieved some let's say accomplishments, such as security provided, since we utilize machine learning model in the client side, and also the working with Telegram API is done locally. That is, the main session files are stored on the client device. We have achieved security. We have achieved secure application, and also some other, let's say, quality attributes such as maintainability and scalability are addressed, since we followed MVC pattern, and also everything is written in Python. So even the new developers who's experienced, who are experienced in Python, they can work with this applications project. And these are the limitations of the TeleML, the first version of the TeleML. So first of all, we didn't provide intellectual property protection, so anyone uh, it, with the client application and their device can easily steal the machine learning model. And also user experience is not supported well since the chosen framework, that is Kiwi, is relatively young and doesn't have advanced widgets. So we did have some problems regarding user interface, and we need some optimization of the machine learning model uh, in order to support mobile devices. So TeleML development involved many aspects of software development, such as user interface development, cross-platform development, working with external APIs such as Telegram APIs, and also deployment and utilization of the developed ML model. And these are the conclusions and findings and the advices for the future work. That is, we have to choose some more advanced UI framework, even though the Kiwi was cross-platform and it was very convenient to work with since it was in Python, but we have to choose some more advanced UI framework. And also, uh, a new perspective to the ML development was obtained during the after the teleml development. That is, we have to provide a mechanism for protecting intellectual property of ML models, right, in order to prevent stealing from the client device. And also, we have to provide the support for mobile devices, that is for machines with limited performance. And although we had some limitations, we wrote a research paper on the topic, and we have presented it in the INA 21 conference recently on the 12th of May current year. And the second version, considering the conclusions of the first version of the TeleML project, the TeleML version 2 will consider the following aspects, which is developing TeleML version 2 uh, mobile in native apps. That is, Android Telegram client is almost ready. So here we will consider for mobile development native platforms such as Android development and iOS development, and we will also choose some more robust framework which also has support for mobile devices such as TensorFlow Lite, and developing the platform of ML Marketplace in Django Web Framework in order to store our machine learning models. And this is the architecture of our project. We can see that it mainly consists of two parts: ML Cloud, which is the web version, web platform of the ML models. Here we can store the machine learning developers can upload their ML models through front end. Front end will be developed either in Vue.js or in Django templates, and our backend will let the clients, these are for now Android and iOS application, let the client applications download ML models, and the client applications will utilize these downloaded ML models. So let me clarify the milestones. So till the July 6th this year, we are planning to complete the development of Android and iOS client applications of the TeleML, which has the feature of applying ML models. These are basically Telegram clients, and we are also planning to complete the development of web platform of the ML marketplace, where ML developers can upload their models, and there will also be APIs for client applications. And also there will be integrations for of Android and iOS client with the web platform. So basically they will call server APIs, web platform APIs, and download ML models and utilize them. So by the August 15, we are planning to complete the draft of the paper TeleML version 2. So thank you for your attention. And if you have questions, I will be glad to answer.